Is Rinne Lauren agus tá mé sé blina díis agus is bralam fécant YouTubers. Is fearlam ná Zoella. Tá si ó an Bratin agus tá si 8 blina díis.
And the collar I just thought was so super pretty. It's got tiny little pearls on it, and also I think it would look nice in the colder months too, with a jumper on top and just the collar poking out. So really liked that. That was £12. See, normally the shirts would be £8 and they've gone up to 12. I like that a lot. Next up is another cute little summer dress, and this one is slightly more formal. This has a cream upper part and a sort of beigey taupe bottom part.
Gagwar Trish má obervala agus na Deireadh Taim hús go dtí má seamra agus féacham ein slice YouTube agus anis chumé ag féachant an One Direction Vivo is bralam One Direction agus is féile leat féachant siad haintil má seamra fád.